Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how to delete a message on your messages app on iPhone 15. So for that, open the messages application. After that, for example, I'm trying to delete this messages. So for that, you just need to hold it. After holding it, you will see an option called more. Okay, just type it. After that, you see the dustbin icon on the bottom left corner. Just tap it once, and from here you can delete the message. So yeah, that's how you delete the message. And if you want to delete the entire conversation of your from whoever you want to delete, you just need to left swiped, as you can see. After that, you here there's two options. Either you can mute it or you can delete it. So for me, I'm just deleting it. And yeah, that's how you delete the entire conversation. Hope this video helpful. If it's helpful, that please click the